Hello there, welcome back to Holistics. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tutu Westerhoff and I welcome you to the space where I share inspiration on making homes that serves us all in all areas of life. I uploaded a video sometime in June where I talked about protecting the home, and one of the things that I spoke about was cleansing the home, freeing the home from stagnant, stuck, negative energy. A viewer asked me in the comments to explain how I cleanse my home. So that's what this video is going to be about. Smudging is an ancient practice rooted in many cultures. It involves burning herbs to cleanse and purify a space. This ritual is believed to get rid of negative energy, to promote emotional balance, and enhance spiritual well-being. The smoke produced during smudging carries away impurities. Smudging supports mindfulness and intention setting, encouraging a deeper connection to the present moment. And by bringing this practice into your routine, you can cultivate a sense of clarity and positivity in your home. So I'm going to guide you through my process of cleansing. Start out by tidying up your home. Remove any clutter because those cluttered areas are where negative energy loves to sit. Then make sure all your surfaces are nice and clean. The idea is to renew the energy, especially in stuffed and untidy areas. A clean physical space sets the foundation for a clean spiritual space. Next, get your home ready by opening all the windows and doors so the smoke can circulate and leave. If you have small children or pets, make sure that they're out of the house before you start smudging. Now I want you to get your supplies ready. Common options are white sage, Palo Santo, frankincense, lavender. You can either buy them or make them yourself. Honestly, what you use depends on your taste as well. White sage does not actually smell like the sage that we cook with. It has a more herbal, musky, or woody scent, and that can be uplifting and calming at the same time, but some people can't stand it. So there are other alternatives like Palo Santo, sweet smelling herbs. People with asthma or lung problems should be careful when burning things. I would consult a doctor before deciding to go ahead with this. You will also need a fireproof container. It could be a bowl or a shell that catches any ashes. You'll need matches or a lighter to light the smudge stick. You'll need a feather or a fan. This is optional to blow the smoke and direct it where you want it to go. Then take a moment to center yourself and set a clear intention for the cleansing. This could be something like, I cleanse my space of all negative energy and fill it with light and positivity. Then go ahead and light the end of the smudge stick or whatever you decide to use until it catches fire. Let it burn for a few seconds, then gently blow out the flame so it smolders and produces smoke, because that's exactly what we want. Then it's time to start cleansing. I like to start at the main entrance of my home. I wave the smudge stick in the air, allowing the smoke to fill the space. You can move it in circles or in whatever rhythm you feel comfortable moving it in, letting the smoke reach all the small spaces. As you smudge, focus on your intention. Think about your goal and say a prayer if you like. Smudge each room in your home, spending more time in places where you spend a lot of time, like your bedroom or the living room, or maybe more time in areas of the home where you feel you need to give special attention. Move through each room. Pay special attention to corners, doorways, windows, as these can hold stagnant energy. If you have a feather or fan, use it to direct the smoke into the hard to reach areas, or you can blow it. Because I'm filming, I'm not able to use my fan because I'm holding my camera with the other hand, because I only have two hands, but under normal circumstances, I would use my fan to blow the smoke into that direction that I really want to pay attention to. Once you've smudged every room, finish the ritual at the front door with a strong prayer. Turn off the smudge stick in a fireproof container, in a bowl of sand, whatever you have available. Finally, close all the windows and the doors to keep the positive energy and good vibes inside your home. Regular cleansing can help maintain a positive atmosphere. Some people smudge weekly, monthly, and others do it whenever they feel like it's necessary. Feel free to also incorporate other things like music to your cleansing ceremony. By following these steps, you can create a harmonious and energetically balanced home. Enjoy your refreshing space. Grab yourself a nice cold cup of water. See you next time.